Hi, I'm Megan, your face yoga instructor. You're here because you want to improve the look of your forehead area. And one of the biggest reasons that leads to wrinkles in the forehead is repetitive movements. My greatest tip would be to be mindful and aware of the expressions you make on a daily basis, whether you're at home or busy with work. Head over to the expert section and we can chat more about that. Get started. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. This pose is one of my top recommendations for doing first thing in the morning because it starts your day off well and releases tons of positive energy. What we'll want to do is just say wow as big as we can while pairing it with our breath. Make sure to be as animated as possible while sitting up tall and keeping your shoulders relaxed and your forehead as much as you can. Let's get started. Take a deep breath in. Just go wow, 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 as big as you can. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath in. Wow, 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 wow. One more time. Breathe in. Wow, 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 wow. Do you feel the good vibes already? Let's do that one more time. Breathe in. Wow, 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 wow. Let's do that one more time as animated as possible, leaving with a great big smile. Breathe in. Wow, 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 wow. Great job. I hope you're smiling as big as I am today. Acupressure point push. This is a great exercise for releasing tension in the forehead and reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Let's get started. Make sure to sit up tall and take both hands in your fists. And on your next inhale, bring them both together at the very top of your forehead. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, apply pressure and slowly work your way down to your temples. Take a deep breath in. And start from the top as you exhale, working your way down. Take a deep breath in and slowly release down. Make sure to keep those shoulders relaxed. Deep breath in and release. Now starting from the center of the forehead, deep breath in. And exhale, work your way down, applying pressure all the way down to the temples. Deep breath in. And slowly release. Deep breath in. And working your way down as we exhale. One more time. Deep breath in, relax the shoulders, and exhale, applying pressure to the temples. Now going down towards the brow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, same thing, applying pressure to the temples. Deep breath in. And release. Breathing in and release. Deep breath in and release. Breathing in. Last time, so make it count. And exhale. Forehead freeze. This is a great one for making sure that our eyes can stay as animated as possible while keeping the forehead as still and freezing as possible. What we'll do is we'll take both of our hands into a clasp like this and keeping the shoulders relaxed, placing them on the forehead right above the brow. The goal is to reduce the amount that your forehead is moving as much as possible. While we're doing this, make sure to sit up tall with your shoulders relaxed. Now, take an inhale and look forward and squint as if you're looking at something very bright and far away. Take an inhale and squint, and we'll want to hold it, really applying pressure on the forehead so it doesn't move. One more breath, keep breathing. And come out, relax a little bit. Let's do that again. This time we'll do the exact same thing, but we'll keep our eyes as open as possible, as if we're really surprised. Placing the hands, shoulders relaxed, deep breath in. And look straight ahead, eyes as wide as possible, keeping that forehead as frozen as possible. Shoulders relaxed. And come out. Roll around. Forehead lift with hands. This pose allows the forehead to relax and helps to reduce the look of wrinkles around the forehead area. How we'll do this is we'll take our hands and place them and apply pressure along the hairline, like this. And we'll do it on both sides. Now, throughout the pose, we'll be sitting up as tall as possible, keeping the shoulders as down as we can, and really squeezing our shoulder blades. It's almost like we're getting a bit of a shoulder exercise as well. Now, placing your hands along the hairline, lifting up and keeping those shoulder blades down, making sure that the forehead is as relaxed as possible. Take a deep breath in and out. Maybe close your eyes, shoulder blades are down. Breathe in and out. Breathing in and out. Still applying the pressure and lifting the forehead. Let's take one more breath. And exhale. Now let's take a break. Roll out the shoulders a little bit. Maybe give yourself a squeeze. Let's do that one more time. Placing the hands and lifting. Breathe in, shoulders relaxed. And out. Breathe in and out. Shoulders down. Breathe in and out. And we'll do one last breath. And exhale, come out. Forehead lift with body. This one is very similar to the forehead lift with hands, where we supported our forehead like this and kept our shoulders tall and open. But this time we'll be using a little bit of body weight and eye movement to make it a little bit more effective. This is also great for boosting circulation. What you'll do is you'll take your hands and you'll place them along the hairline. In this pose, it's important to see where the lift works best for your body. For me, I'm going to be placing my thumbs right above my ears and supporting with my index finger, my middle finger, up this way. Now, keeping your shoulders relaxed, you can also place your elbows on a hard surface like a desk as well. Taking a deep breath in and staying open. Rest your elbows on the desk and slowly look down. And we'll stay here for a couple rounds of breaths. Breathe in and exhale. Breathing in and exhale. Breathe in. Keep looking down. Exhale. Let's take one more breath. Breathe in and exhale. Come out, lift up. Stretch your shoulders out. Roll them out. Great job. Forehead massager. I absolutely love this one right before I'm going to bed because it helps to release any tension in the forehead area and really encourages the muscles in the forehead and around it to relax and remember to just kind of chill out a little bit. So what we'll do is, sitting up tall, keeping the shoulders and the forehead relaxed, we'll take our hands and clasp them together like this, and we'll place them on the top of our head. Now, on the next exhale, we'll move the hands forwards and kind of jiggle the head a little bit like this. Take a deep breath in, keeping those shoulders relaxed. And on the exhale, we'll move, 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 move. And one more breath. And exhale, moving it forward and back. Taking a deep breath in. This time we'll go towards the left on the exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, keeping those shoulders relaxed. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time we'll go towards the right. Take a deep breath in. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come out. This time, we'll take our hands and clasp them and place them right above the brow line on the forehead. I like to close my eyes for this one, but you can definitely keep yours open. Take a deep breath in. And on the exhale, wiggle up and down. Inhale, lift, and on the exhale, move up and down. Inhale, and on the exhale this time we'll go towards the left. And exhale. And keeping those shoulders relaxed, sitting up tall, breathe in. This time we'll go towards the right. And one more time, breathe in. And exhale. And come out. Great work. Do this exercise every day for best results. And try to avoid making unnecessary facial expressions with the forehead as best you can. I'll see you next time.